Rain or shine, guys, rain or shine, I take them to the beach. Oh, it's lovely. I've had already a tough year. The year has started, I know for a lot of people, it started off with a struggle, which is good. You know, you never want the universe to make it too easy. Started off with a struggle, and I said, no matter what I'm going through, no matter hard things get, no matter what challenges, I'm gonna go to the beach at least once a week, take the dogs to the beach. And I gotta tell you, man, it's been so good for me. It's my vacation, and the dogs just love it so much. There's not a soul in sight. There's not another person in sight, and it feels like just the dogs and I have the whole beach to ourselves. It's really beautiful to be able to share these moments with you, because these really are, besides rescue days, these are really my favorite moments, you know, with my dogs. I have other beautiful moments that I love sharing with you and things like that, and realizations and all that stuff. But to have these moments where I can be with my dogs, know what they've been through, know that they were at the shelter, know that they were at the youth list, know that they weren't loved as much before, things like that, to see them here living their best life is really a dream come true. Huh, Ranger? It's really been lovely. Really lovely. I only felt comfortable taking this many to the beach. I usually would only bring a handful, 3, 4, maybe 5 the most. But this time I brought 11 dogs because I knew the weather was going to be pretty poor. I knew it wasn't going to be the best weather, so I knew that the beach wouldn't be very busy, so I brought more dogs. And when I bring my dogs to the beach, I'm not worried about my dogs. I'm worried about other people being nervous, and it's a lot of big dogs, so I just want to be respectful to other people. And I also, for the safety of my own dogs, I don't know these people and I don't know their dogs, so I like to not bring too many when I come to the beach, because it becomes a little bit more stressful than relaxing, as you can imagine. And I don't bring the small dogs. I don't bring smaller dogs when the ocean is rough like this, because these waves are really sneaky and they could just come and really just wipe you right out and take you deep into the ocean. So I take the strong swimmers, besides Ranger, who's good. Hey, no, don't drink that. Little freshwater river here that goes into the ocean. It's really quite beautiful, huh? Just an amazing gift. Come on, George. Rosa. Come on, Howie. Woo! Come on, Doug. Come here, Doug. Drop. Drop, Dave. Hey, Arthur, let me see it. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Hey, hey. Hey. All right, guys, I love you. I'm gonna get back to playing fetch. See you later.